this is my final video, and it's been really a pleasure mentoring thousands and thousands of aspirants out there who have been following our forums online, offline, whatnot. And I really feel blessed and honored to receive all your love and affection. And this bond is not just limited till the entrance exam. I mean, this is a real lifelong bonding that I think I have formed with you guys. Frankly, what do you want me to say? I've been talking a lot for the past several weeks, several months in the form of videos, and I have nothing else to say. And most importantly, you know everything, like what to do, how to do, and how to rock in the upcoming exam. See, you have been working very hard for this day. You have been working consistently in your own way, and now is the time for you to believe in yourself, no matter what the circumstances are, no matter what situations you are in. On the day of exam, the only thing that you should keep in mind is this: I have given my best in my own way, and all I need to do is exude confidence and be mindful when I'm giving this particular exam. Just keep this aspect in mind and everything else will fall in place. And don't keep stressing yourself regarding revision till last moment. It is unnecessary, and most importantly, it's a counterproductive strategy. It's going to increase your stress, anxiety, and it does no good to you. So stop preparing, stop revising. Just try to maintain that calmness and be composed, and on the day of exam, you're going to remember each and everything that you've studied mindfully without any doubt, right? So do not get carried away, because in these final moments, we have this lower self which gets activated. We have a lower self wherein it is purely emotional in nature. So tend to get carried away, but just keep in mind that within you there is also something called as higher self. So higher self, it's all about reasoning, it's all about seeing things as they are without getting carried away by our base emotions. We have reptilian brain, also we have this neocortex, highly evolved, developed, and responsible for our cognitive thinking. So never ever underestimate your potential. Your mind, human mind, is so powerful that whatever you imagine will be actualized without any doubt. So be careful of your thoughts, don't beam negative thoughts, and keep telling yourself that after all, this is your exam, and if not you, then who else is going to crack entrance? Having said that, you know very much than anyone else on this planet about your own preparation status. You have been working hard, you have been working consistently, and if not you, then who else is going to crack entrance? I have nothing else to say. You know much better than anybody else on this planet about the status of your preparation. And one common question which I have been getting in these final stages is, sir, how many questions to attempt to be on safe side? What should be the minimum number of questions that we should attempt in order to qualify or get into GDC or get into top rank or whatever? First and foremost, do not have any such targets. That would be a foolish approach. Question paper is dynamic. It tends to evolve. I mean, there are so many factors which play a role when setting a question paper, and you cannot go based on the previous experiences. Just because previous highest mark was some X doesn't mean that it's going to be more or less the same. Why can't you break that pattern? I mean, look at this exam as a unique experience and try answering as many questions as possible based on your confidence levels. Of course, there is negative marking. Try minimizing it. And it's not possible, practically speaking, to eliminate negative marking. Rather, try to minimize it. Answer as many questions as possible based on your confidence levels. And one simple practical tip which I can give you based on common sense is, if you don't know one particular question at all, no idea, leave that question, do not answer with the hope that you might get it right through luck factor. No, leave it out. If in case we can rule out only one option, so answer could be in rest 3 options, 33% probability, do not answer such questions. However, if you can rule out 2 options, which means the answer could be in the rest 2 options, 50-50 chance of getting right, maybe you can take a calculated risk and go ahead, answer such questions, right? So that's the only practical tip which I can give you, that too based on common sense. It's not rocket science, common sense. Unfortunately, common sense is not that common, right? It's because we tend to get carried away by so many factors, especially these YouTube channels and videos with these clickbaits and fancy titles trying to grab our attention. Don't get carried away. You have common sense, try to make maximum use of it. And before I conclude, this is my final video, and it's been really a pleasure mentoring thousands of aspirants out there who have been following our forums online, offline, whatnot. And I really feel blessed and honored to receive all your love and affection. And this bond is not just limited till the entrance exam. I mean, this is a real lifelong bonding that I think I have formed with you guys. And no matter what, need not be just entrance, it can be career guidance, it can be personal issues, it can be anything that's bothering you. I'm always there, 24/7 on WhatsApp. Ping me, I'm just a ping away, right? So, wish you all the best, love you all, and I'm not going to miss you at all, because thanks to 21st century's technological advancements, we can be in touch 24/7. All the very best. Keep rocking.